This is the Lorentz Factor Interactive Calculator, which solves relativistic physics problems for objects moving at high velocities. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes in a drop-down menu. Calculate Lorentz factor from velocity, calculate velocity from Lorentz factor, calculate time dilation, calculate length contraction, calculate relativistic momentum, and calculate relativistic kinetic energy. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate Lorentz factor from velocity mode. The input fields include velocity v in meters per second, velocity as percentage of c, Lorentz factor gamma, proper time delta t naught in seconds, proper length L naught in meters, and rest mass m naught in kilograms. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the velocity field. After clicking calculate, the Lorentz factor gamma equals 1,000,000, which means essentially no relativistic effects. The velocity percentage of c shows 0.000%, confirming our velocity is negligible compared to light speed. The velocity regime output states non-relativistic regime, beta less than 0.1, classical mechanics applies. This tells us that at such low velocities, we can safely use Newtonian physics without relativistic corrections. Find the link in the description below.